Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What up? What up, what up, what up? What up, slime? What up, fam? What up, son? Mad New York with it. If you guys are new to my channel, I want you guys to stop right now. Stop right now. Just pause the video. Just pause it. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Comment down below and share this video with your friends. We are finally at 500 subscribers. It took me a minute, but I'm here and I'm excited. Yay! I'm thinking about doing something for my 500 subbies. I'm gonna let you guys know within the next week or so. So yeah, so let's get right into the video. Of course, I already have my base, but what we're gonna do today is we're gonna talk about these new Sistar GLO glitters, and they kind of look like the Stila glitters, and these are like the best dupes in the world. These products are amazing. These are new, so we're gonna go and swatch them and everything like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Remember to bloom because a flower is just a soul blossom in nature.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay guys, we're gonna jump right into it. Sistar sent me 7 different colors, and they're pinks, golds, even a silver, something with a little bit of red in it. So they have a bunch of colors. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them and show you which one is which. This is Diamond. This is 24K. That is so pretty. Oh my god. Stardust. This is Ambitious. This one here is Ambitious. This red one. Reddish one. Now we're gonna go in with Bright Bronze. This is Rose Gold. Rose Gold is actually my favorite kind of gold. I want my engagement ring or wedding ring to be rose gold, so that's special to my heart. Okay. And the last one is Pink Pearl. Alright, so those are all of the colors. So we're gonna run through them again really quick. You've got Diamond, 24 karat, Stardust, Ambitious, Bright Bronze, Rose Gold, and Pink Pearl. Once these are all dry, they are like waterproof. You see that? No smudging. It's smudging a little bit. It's not all, the glitter comes off a little, like look at that. Amazing. 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 So we're gonna do a look with them. We're gonna try them out on our face. We're gonna do a look. We're gonna do a look. We're gonna do a look. So I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Nubian 2 palette, and this is just gonna be like the base, and then of course the glitter will just be on the lid. We're not gonna do nothing too special. Very, very simple. So the first color I'm gonna go on with is the color Morocco. Alright, so after the color Morocco, we're going to go with this dark brown color, which is the color Kenya. Bright bronze on the lid to kind of bring in that more of that orangey color, and then do in the corner. What y'all think about that? We're gonna go for it. So you can do it with a brush, which I probably will. You can apply it with a brush, or you can apply it directly on your eyelid right from the wand that comes with it. But we're gonna try it with the brush. Sis, are you dumb? Sis, are you dumb? Y'all, let's get into the fact for the first time in a long time, I am not cutting the crease. We are doing regular eyes, baby. Ain't nobody gonna see this glitter, but we doing regular eyes. I still cut my crease, I still go above my crease because I don't have a choice. You gonna see this eye. I'm just trying to pack in that product because I want to make sure that you see that glitter. Alright, so we're going to zip it back in. We're going to get some more. We're going to do the other eye. Girl, this look is cute and quick, honey. Quick, honey. Okay. So the inner eye looks so good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go put on our contour, our blush, take our headscarf off, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the complete look. I'll be right back.